Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring battery doorbell easy install step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Ring battery doorbell from the box. Make sure you have all the provided components, including the doorbell, battery, and mounting screws. Download the Ring app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Ring app and create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to start the setup process. Tap on the Set up a device option within the app. Select doorbell from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to scan the QR code on the doorbell. Insert the battery into the doorbell until you hear a click. Press the orange button on the back of the doorbell to put it into setup mode. Wait for the app to detect the doorbell. Once detected, name your doorbell for easy identification. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. After connecting, the app will prompt you to test the doorbell. Press the doorbell button to ensure it's working correctly. After confirming everything is set up, it's time to mount your doorbell. Use the provided mounting template to mark the drill holes on your wall. Drill holes and insert the anchors if necessary. Align the doorbell with the screws and push it into place. Tighten the screws to secure the doorbell to the wall. Finally, adjust the angle if needed for optimal viewing. Congratulations, your Ring battery doorbell is now installed and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.